how to browse a Target store directory by state. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So to browse a Target store directory by state, you can use the official target.com's website. You need to go to a browser, open it up, and then tap on Find Stores option in the top right. And there you'll be able to find the View Store Directory option. Just tap on it, and then once you're on that page, you'll see a list of US states listed alphabetically, such as Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, and more. So click on the name of the state that you are interested in, and then this makes it easy to browse the Target stores. So you just need to tap on the city and then find the specific stores that you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.